I'm Midget Mambalon Christian Jude. GR no 1653-89 October 17, 2008. NFD International Manning Agents and AS Volcanus Oslo. National Labor Relationship Commission. Jose I. Iligan Jr. and Constantino C.O. Jr. In the President petition for review on certiorari under Rule 45 and the rules of the court is June 21, 2004. Decision and September 14, 2004. Resolution of the Court of Appeals CA in CAGRSP no 78870. The fact of case are as follows. Jose I. Iligan Jr. and Constantino C.O. Jr. Private respondent were among 21 Filipino seamen hired by Higher in Petitioner NFD International Manning Agents. NFD to work on board the chemical tanker MT Lady Helen, a vessel owned, operated by Petitioner AS Volcanos Oslo. NFD Foreign Principal on February 11, 1997, while MT Lady Helen was at Island View Port Durban, South Africa shipmaster. Captain Steiner Andersen dismissed on 21 Filipino seamen, including hiring private respondents from their employment. They were repenting arriving in the Philippines. On February 15, 1997.